not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates.
Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video in today's description below. If anybody needs it, do download it. Now let's start. What is the rank of India in the Corruption Perception Index 2018? 78, 80, 100, 180. Answer is A, 78. India ranks at 78th position in the Corruption Perception Index 2018. Corruption Perception Index is published annually by Transparency International since 1995. The headquarters of Transparency International are very important. Previously asked, do remember, it's in Berlin of Germany. In any index, you need to know the top 3 countries along with the bottom 3 countries. Now in this index, the least corrupted countries are Denmark, New Zealand and Finland, whereas the most corrupted countries are Somalia, Syria and South Sudan. Almost 180 countries are ranked by their perceived levels of public sector corruption, and India along with its neighboring countries have shown a steady improvement in this Corruption Perception Index. How much scholarship did central government increase for research scholars recently? 25%, 15%, 56%, 23%. The answer is A, 25%. Central government has hiked 25% in monthly stipends for the research scholars. Centre hiked its popular research scholarship called the Junior Research Fellowship to 31,000 per month, roughly a 25% increase from the existing 25,000 per month. It also increased the Senior Research Fellowship and the Research Assistantship. But the research scholars are unhappy and continue to protest for a 56% hike. Now, as the earlier hike was 56% or a 9,000 per month increase from 2010 to 2014. If you look at the figures in 2010, the monthly stipend was 16,000 and in 2014, the government has hiked it to 25,000. That is almost a 9,000 per month increase or a 56% increase. Now the same hike they are expecting in sync with the previous years, and this is a main reason for their protest. According to a recent study done by the International Center for Tropical Agriculture, Colombia, which is the highest contributing state in India for ammonia and nitrous oxide, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal or Maharastra. The answer is B, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the highest contributing state in India for ammonia and nitrous oxide. The top 3 ammonia emitting states are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal, and top 3 nitrous oxide emitting states are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Now, nitrous oxide N2O gas is 300 times more powerful than carbon dioxide. We have discussed this point already in 25th January video, if you remember. 78% of the atmosphere consists of the nitrogen and it is a dominant gas in the atmosphere. But nitrogen is chemically inactive, and when it is in the form of compounds like nitrous oxide, it is dangerous gas. Like remember this point, N2O gas is 300 times more powerful than carbon dioxide. Now this point is very important for all the upcoming State Public Service Commission and UPSC. Recent study says that cow urine is a source of the nitrous oxide emissions and it may be leading to a global warming. Asia's biggest civil and military aeronautical show, Aero India 2019, will be held in which of the following cities? Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Delhi or Mumbai? The answer is A, Bengaluru. Aero India 2019 will be held in Bengaluru. It is 12th edition of Aero India in Yelahanka Air Force Station, and it is all set to kick off between February 20 to 24th and the event is expected to be bigger and better than the ones held before. Who is the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia expected to visit India for the first time in February 2019? Mohammed Bin Salman, Mohammed bin Nayef, Sultan Qaboos bin, or Bashar al-Assad? Answer is A. Mohammed bin Salman is the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia expected to visit India for the first time in February. The Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia expected to visit in third week of February 2019. In recent years, Saudi Arabia has sent out a positive message to New Delhi at the annual cultural event of Janadriya. The kingdom chose India as the guest of honor in 2018. India is acquiring S-400 missile defense system from which of the following country? South Korea, USA, Israel, Russia. Answer is D. Russia. Very important topic. Do remember, previously asked, India is acquiring S-400 missile defense system from the country Russia. The S-400 is a highly advanced surface-to-air missile defense system that can shoot down hostile jets and missiles. Remember this point, it is a surface-to-air missile. Last year, India and Russia signed the $5.2 billion deal for this S-400 system, despite pressure from the United States and the threat sanctions. And the first batch of S-400 will be delivered in 2020. Who became the first Indian ever to breach the sub-30 mark in men's table tennis? That means this player has become the India's highest ranked player in the latest International Table Tennis Federation rankings. The options are G.Sathiyan, S.Raman, Sharat Kamal, or Rubina Francis. Answer is A. G.Sathiyan became the first ever Indian to breach the sub-30 mark in men's table tennis. He reached a career high world ranking of 28 in men's singles and became the first ever Indian to achieve this feat. He is a Chennai-based engineer and he is coached by S.Raman. Which is the only metro city in India to get ODF++ status under Swachh Bharat mission? Chennai, Pune, Kolkata, or Hyderabad? The answer is D. Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the only metro city in India to get open defecation free ++ status under Swachh Bharat mission. It shared the status of ODF++ with only two other Indian cities named Indore and Chandigarh. Now the status is awarded to the cities with smart toilets, no open drainage and adequate sewerage treatment plants. Remember, Indore and Chandigarh, the two cities has population around only 20 lakhs, but metro city Hyderabad has population around 1 crore. So this is a rare feat achieved by the metro city. Let's see the question for the day. Where is the National Salt Satyagraha Memorial located in India? Delhi, Maharashtra, Gujarat, or West Bengal? Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi dedicated National Salt Satyagraha Memorial to the nation on the occasion of 74th death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Mention your answers in the comment section. Let's see the answer for previous day's question. Vladimir Kramnik, Russian professional, announced retirement from which of the following sport? Squash, chess, boxing, or wrestling? The answer is B. Chess. Vladimir Kramnik is a Russian chess professional, recently announced retirement. Former Russian chess world champion. He was world chess champion from 2006 to 2007. And he gained a reputation of one who seldom lost a game. That means he rarely lost a game in chess. In 1995, Kramnik became the youngest world number one, a record eventually which was broken by Magnus Carlsen. Quote for the day: don't be afraid to fail, be afraid not to try. Now, when you fail, you will learn what not to do the next time and you will never forget the lessons from your failures. So do not be afraid to fail, because failures are the stepping stones to success. This is it for today. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow.
Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.